We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing vocabulary that many get wrong, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning more English pronunciations. So how do you pronounce this? Well, there are 3 different ways of pronouncing it. Now in British English, this is said as vase, vase, a long R sound, and a Z sound or a Z sound, a Z sound at the end. Vase. Now in American English, this is usually said as vase with an S sound at the end, vase, or vase with a Z sound at the end. Vase or vase in American English, while in British English, vase. And now you know. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting vocabulary. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.